guys, do you know that there are some t-shirts niches that can make you up to 6 figures a year? Oh my gosh. So in this video, I am going to reveal 5 top trending niches that are very profitable, and also I'm going to tell you why they are profitable and examples of these niches that you can start designing today. Not just that, I'm going to tell you the audience that are for you in each of these niches, so you don't want to miss on this video. Keep on watching till the end because I have a bonus for you. That bonus can switch things around 360 for you, so please watch until the end because I got that bonus for you. You don't want to miss out on that. Anyways, let's get into this video. Choosing the right niche is very critical for the success in t-shirts business. It helps you to stand out in the crowded markets. It helps you to find your target audience, and it helps you to build a profitable brand. This will help you attract loyal customer and also generate sales. So this is not going to be in any kind of order, and you don't have to do all of the niches that I'm going to mention. Just pick what you think you're going to be good in and that you can really stand out in the market. So the number one in my list is going to be inspirational and motivational quotes. People love wearing positive affirmation, motivational quotes, and empowering messages. An example of this is going to be the change you want to see, good vibes Ollie, boss babe energy, and more. So the audience you're going to attract are entrepreneurs like us, and fitness enthusiasts, mental health advocates, and I'm just thinking deep, anyone into self improvement. The next one on my list is going to be pet lovers. Some of you have pets, and you know that pets are just like family, and people like expressing their connection with their pets. So if you can get into that niche, that is a big niche that people are not really paying attention to. So examples are funny saying like, sorry, I can't, I have plans with my cat, with my dog, with my whatever pets they have. So you can make design like that. And another one is, of course, you guys know this, dog mom, dog dad, dog auntie, whatever, you know, you can just put it together and, you know, be very creative. What makes you successful and stand out in the business is you have to be very creative. You have to think outside the box and do something outstanding. So the third one on my list is going to be fitness and wellness. People ignore this niche. This is a good niche to get into, and fitness enthusiasts often buy apparel that reflects their commitment to what they love to do and also to inspire others. Examples are train insane, remain the same. Like, come on, that is so cute. Like, that is the bomb. And another one is gym now, tacos later. Like something funny, you know. So the audience for this niche, of course, is gym goers, runners, yoga enthusiasts, you name it. You don't want to sleep on this niche. This is a niche that people ignore, so make sure you take advantage of it. And the fourth one on my list is going to be career and professionals. People really ignore this niche. People don't really pay attention to it, but this is a great niche. People take pride in their professions, like nurses, doctors, accountants, teachers, you name it. So you can just be in one of those niche. You can niche down and pick one of the niche out of those professional. If you want to be into the medical world, then you go medical. If you want to go for teachers, you go for teachers. If opticians, you can make a design for opticians, dentists, surgeons. Those are things that people really don't pay attention to. Nurses, of course, nurses are the ones that people do pay attention to. CNAs, people are not really making shirt for CNAs. Like, come on, they are part of it. You just think out of the box. Lawyers, come on, There's a lot of careers to get into, like to make t-shirt for. So don't sleep on that niche. That is a great niche. So the last one on my list, which I intentionally saved for the last because that's the niche that I'm into, is going to be family and relationship. There's a lot of sub niches in this niche that you can get into. So before I get too excited, why is this niche profitable? Families enjoy coordinating together to make shirts for reunion, vacations, birthdays, which I'm into, and a lot. So you don't want to sleep on this because this is not going to be a one buy, it's going to be a bulk buy. So you may want to think about that because that's going to increase your sales, like for real. You guys know, for those of you that know, I'm into the birthday niche and I'm also into the mama niche. So when I make tutus and shirts to go with it, I usually get like family members that want to buy, matching shirts with their baby. So mother and father, of course, sister, brother, then you see auntie, uncles, grandparents, great grandparents, like that does add up. So you don't want to sleep on this niche. This is a great niche to get into. Those that are going on vacation, they love to team up to dress up, like put on a t-shirt that says what the vacation is all about. Also, brides made shirts is also part of the family and relationship niche. So that's why I say this niche is huge. With this niche, you can niche down to meet specific audience. Just like how I was saying, the bridal, you can make brides shirts, and of course, she will want her bridesmaid and also the groom and the groommen. You can make things like that. So that's a sub niche with the family and relationship niche. Examples are, I already said that, matching family vacation shirts, reunion shirts, mama shirts. You guys know about the mama shirts, that dada shirts, grandpa shirts. Don't forget about grandpa. Daddy shirts. I already mentioned that. Auntie, uncle. Like you just put just the name daddy, uncle. So of course you have to use the right fonts. Font is very important when you are making shirts. We will get into that. So the audience for this niche, of course, I already said that, are parents, grandparents, uncles, auntie, nieces, nephews, like you name it. Newlyweds, brides, let's say family members, like family. So this niche is a great niche because people will bundle up. You will have a bundle order. You can have like 10 order, 10 10 shirts in one order. I've had that. So this is a great niche you don't want to sleep on. You want to go on in a niche. The rest niches that I mentioned are great as well, but this one here can help you make triple, like a lot of sale, because you are not just making for one person, you are making for a lot of people. So you want to think about, in this family and relationship niche, you may want to think about niching down so you can meet a specific audience. So those are the 5 niches that can help you make sales today if you do your research. And of course, in my next video, I will be doing the research for you guys. Pick a niche for me and let me know in the comment section what niche you want me to do a research on out of the niche that I mentioned, and I will do a research so we can make a design together. But anyways, guys, if you have made it to this point, congratulations, because I have a bonus for you. Go ahead and click on the like button so I can know you are here, you're still here with me. Your bonus is personalization. Did I say that? Did you hear me? Personalization. Did you hear me? Personalization. Yes, that's it. So whatever niche you decide you want to go for, make sure you include personalization. People love to pay for personalized item. People love to put in their touch in their shirts. People love, they will pay anything just for you to put a name, a date, something that they can, that some kind of memory. Like mama shirts, with the year when they became a mama. People will pay for it because that's a memory. They are walking around with that, showing that I became a mama on this year. Like me, I have a shirt that says Mama 2018 because that's when I became a mother. So people will pay for it. With the dog niche, the pets niche, you can put picture of the pets on the shirt with the dog's name on it, or you just put dog mama with the name of the dog on the shirt. And also with the mama shirt, you can make the kids, you can put the kids picture on it and put mama on it, the bootleg design. You can make that and put mama on it, so you see her kids picture on the shirt. That's a great idea. Don't say I told you, but guess what? We are gonna design that together in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I don't know what you're waiting for, because guess what? You are gonna benefit from this. Turn on the notification bell so you can know when I post that video, because I will be sharing with you guys how you can make a mama shirts with the pictures, with the kids picture on it, or you can even make a mama shirt with the mama's picture on it. So we are gonna make a lot of things. We're gonna be designing. I have 3 platforms where I design, and I'm gonna use the one that you can use for free. And if you want to later in the future, you want to subscribe to them, of course you'll be able to subscribe. But when you're starting, you may want to go for the free version. So I am going to be sharing a lot with you guys, so you don't want to miss out. We're getting into 2025. Guess what? We are gonna kill it in this 2025. If you're trying to start a business, this is the right time to start a business, because you want to start on a good foot. So if you're wondering how to start this, what I need to start this, what are the equipment I can use to start this t-shirt business, guess what? I already made a video for you guys. I'll put it up here, or I'll put it in the description box, or I'll pin it in my comment section. So before we go, let me know in the comment section which of the niche you would love to get into and which of them is profitable. Please let me know in the comment section so I know you're with me. But anyways, guys, if you like this content, I'm pretty sure you're gonna like the next one coming up. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me. As always, stay positive, work hard, and let's make it happen. Bye bye.